We'll start with 5 drops of ginger. It's a powerful motivator and encourages positive energy. Next, we'll add 4 drops of lemon. It's cleansing and uplifting and promotes feelings of openness. 3 drops of sweet fennel. It reduces feelings of being stuck and decreases mental fatigue. 1 drop of clove bud. It fosters confidence and helps reduce feelings of stress and anxiousness. 1 drop of black pepper. It's another powerful motivator and enhances feelings of potential. And finally, 1 drop of frankincense. It quiets the mind and supports mental tranquility and focus. We'll add the inhaler wick and allow it to absorb the essential oils. Then transfer the wick to the inhaler barrel and seal. All of these essential oils together are uplifting, invigorating, and encourage optimistic thinking. Use the inhaler at the beginning of each day and whenever you feel your motivation slipping to help support stick-to-itiveness.